Top 10 Anime Where Anime Becomes Lovers 2020.
木から何なんだあのリボンっていうかリボンなのかウサ耳なのかいや
触っちゃダメ。赤ちゃんができてしまいますから。
は
Number 10 Big Order 2016 Season 1 Episode 10 Dubno. The genre is action shonen superpower. 10 years ago, a child wished for the destruction of the world. Now, a group of people has the ability to grant their wishes. Depending on their power, they are called order users. Before these great people who have the power of order, one person excels the most with the ability to rule and conquer the world and turn people into puppets when it is in his jurisdiction. This power belongs to Hoshimiya Eiji, who is also responsible for the destructive phenomena that happened exactly 10 years ago.
できてくださった。ティグル様、おはよう。円を口に入れて起こす？ありえません。怪我をしたらどうするんですか？
Number 9 Mada no Oto Wanadis 2014 Season 1 Episode 13. The genre is adventure, ichi, fantasy, romance. Dubbed Yes. In times of war set in Western Europe, Alinoria Volteria, one of the 7 vanities of Jades, leads the war into Brune. There are actually 7 vanities, named like this because they each receive a powerful weapon from the dragon to reign over 7 territories, each possessing their own. The power of vanities causes dread and fear towards their enemy. An earl in the service of the country of Brune, a young archer called Tigre, got a taste of it after he was defeated on the battlefield by Alinoria. However, Alan decided to spare his life after seeing his skill. In exchange, he asked to serve her.
ボールを蹴り始めたぞ。
行くぞ、てめえら！
分かった。手紙の主はあいつだ。きっと普段から不甲斐ない俺たちに苛立ちを覚えていたんだ。それでこんな真似を。よし、ゴールを守れ。この戦い負けらんねえ。俺たち男が勝つ。よくわからんが。分かった。ダメじゃねえんだこら。あーけし。
Number 8 Angel Beat 2010 Season 1 Episode 25 Dubious. The genre is action, comedy, drama, supernatural. In a world after death, angels fight for their fate and their future. Yuri, the leader of the Sinda Shekai Sensen, rebel against the god who destined her to have an unreasonable life. On the other hand, Tenchi, the chairperson of the student council for the world after death, battles against the SS members, utilize armed weaponry to battle it out against the angel harnessing supernatural powers.
Kuriyama-san.
Number 7 Kyokai no Kanata 2013 Season 1 Episode 12 Dubious. The genre is fantasy slice of life supernatural. The dark fantasies follows a high school sophomore named Akihito Kanbara. Although the boy appears human, he is half Yuma and invulnerable to wounds because he can heal quickly. One day, Akito meets freshman Mirai Kuriyama. When it seems she is about to jump from the school rope tube, Mirai is isolated because of ability to manipulate blood, which is unique even among the members of Spirit World. Disturbing event began to unfold after Akito saves Mirai.
はい、よたろ。
そっか、こいつ与太郎っていうのか。あ、
霧島、ぬいぐるみは人参を食べない。
You're a fucking idiot.
Number 6, Aiki Hagane no Arpeago, 2013 Season 1 Episode 12. The genre is action science fiction shonen, dubbed No. In the story, a fleet of fog loaded with super weapons suddenly appear all over the world. Without the ability to withstand his fleet, humanity was defeated and could no longer travel the seas. 17 years after the devastating naval war, Chiaya Gunjo and his friends somehow commander a fleet of fog submarine and rename it I-401. Together with Lona, they take on the fleet of fog.
よければ見ようか。チェーンが外れてる。治った。どうしたの？よくわかんないけど落ち着いて。
ありがとうございます。
Number 5, Toro Hikushi Ino Koita, 2014 Season 1 Episode 13, dubbed No. The genre is adventure drama romance. This is a tale of a prince who lost everything, who leaves for a journey with no guarantee of returning to his home town safely. With hatred and revenge in his mind, he meets several people that teach him about relationship and love.
もう一度言う。世はそなた以外誰も妃に迎えない。1年ずっと一人だった。それが繰り返されるだけの話だ。それでも世は寂しい。ただ一つ望むことがある。公の場では仕方がないけれど、それ以外で私を拒絶しないでほしい。
Number 4, Shonkoku Monogatari, 2007 Season 2 Episode 78, dubbed Yes. The genre is adventure, comedy, drama, fantasy, historical romance. Shinkoku is a world of 8 provinces or houses, each named after a different color. The new emperor, Shiruki, has gained for a reputation for being uninterested in courtly matters and for flaunting his love for men. The mysterious Shirin, a young man who was adopted by her father, goes with her as Ryukyu's bodyguard. Entering the imperial palace, revived Shurin dream of being a court official, and together with the many companions she meet along the way, continue moving bravely forward while trying to fend off the emperor advances.
亮太が助かるんだったら私どうなってもどうなったって
さあ、ふざけるな。俺が卑弥呼を犠牲にしてまで帰りたいと思ったのか。そんな奴だと思ってるのか。見捨てるか。見捨てるわけないじゃないか。リアルだってバーチャルだって。
Number 3, Batum, 2012 Season 1 Episode 12, Duvious. The genre is action psychological science fiction shonen. The story centers around Ryota Sakamoto, a NEET, not in education, employment or training, young man and a top-ranked player in the online combat game Batum. One day, he wakes up on a tropical island without remembering how he got there. He sees a figure in the distance and asks for his help. However, the figure responds by throwing something at Ryota, a beam bomb. In that moment, Ryota comes to realize two things. One, his own life in danger, and the two, he is now in the world of Batum.
ほな、やりましょうか。
ここは俺が行く。テンションが上がった。かっこいいとこ見せてやりますか。あっと危ない。よけてて、俺がやる。心配しなくていいよ。
綺麗。
Number 2, K Project, 2012 Season 1 Episode 13, Dubno. The genre is action, superpower, supernatural. Ishano Yashiro is a student at the Masiwaka Shina High School that takes up an island in the bay. His little spacey does not stand out much. He is fairly well liked and tends a small white kitten named Neko. Unknown to the most people, this is an era of king. 7 people linked by an unknown process to an artifact called the Dresden Slate that confirms incredible power that can share with the clan of followers.
エンライ
カズマ
また今度遊んでやるよ
Number 1 Casino Stigma 2007 Season 1 Episode 24 Dubious. The genre is action, fantasy, magic, romance shonen. Ayano is the heir to the house of Kanagi, a house with ties to the spirit of fire, whose members are all fire users, all except for her cousin Kazuma. After he was defeated by Ayano, his father banished him from the house in disgrace. Kazuma runs off and changes his surname to Yagami. He forms a contract with the spirit of wind and becomes a powerful wind user. 4 years later, he returns. Some killing in the Kanagi house by a powerful wind users lead Ayano and the Kanagi house into thinking Kazuma is taking revenge. Although claiming to the innocent, Kazuma is preparing for an all-out war with Kanagi. I hope friends all of you enjoy this video, and if you really enjoy this video, please show your love by likes and comment. And if you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. It's also motivate me to keep uploading new videos and running this channel. Thank you so much friend.
You went from Julie